All right, going to be taking a look at DBMM. DBMM currently at 0047 right now. Requested over here on Investors Hangout. What a beautiful move. We went over here and took a look at it last on the 24th. We see that, and I said 0023. Watch for a break of the 25. Watch for the break of the 2.5. This will keep going higher. Avoid gaps. Volume slows could pull down fast. Resistance at 2.5 and 3.0. And look at that, blowing through every single one of those resistance levels. Support at 0.2, 1.5, and 1.2. Gaps at 1.5, 1.4, and 1.2. That is going to be in the past. That's what we were looking for. But I told you guys to watch for that break at 2.5, and you got that break right here, coming up to it, and then plow right through that. Watch for the break of the 5.0. RSI currently at 86, getting pretty high up there, guys. I would watch for this one to possibly maybe one more day to keep going like this. But what a beautiful move. You guys have a gap down here, quite a few gaps coming all the way back down to the 10-day simple moving average. 10-day simple moving average is at 19. I know that's a far away from where you're at right now, but that's where the moving averages are. Again, 86 on the RSI, up there quite a bit, hitting that major resistance at 5. That's what we're seeing come in right now. That resistance level is going to be put back into way back here. Looks 2015, and you guys are gonna have, looks like there's gonna be a little bit of a rocky road at 0.2. I mean, that is really the only line that I see. You're gonna have some here and there up, but after pretty soon here, you guys aren't gonna have much resistance levels at all. It could really start climbing. 0.6, 0.9, 0.1 is going to be 1. And then 0.6, I believe. 0.6 and then 0.1. So you guys could really keep going, especially with this volume. This thing can go up even much higher. Again, we're going to keep this in mind. You guys do have those gaps here as well. It's really going to come down to the buying pressure now. I've already told you guys are up 100% since I've told you to watch for that break at 2.5. You guys broke that 2.5, and you guys just kept going up from there. And that is exactly what happened. With that being said, could keep going, but it can also come down just as fast. I would like to see what Joe could add to this one.
All right, so since the last time I went over it with you, I mean, they had a press release that we went over on the last one, and that was on April 1st. They had that press release, but then there's an NT 10Q over here for the filings that was received on April 19th. So I pulled that up, and it states that registrants' limited resources prevent it from allocating timely resources to a completion of its quarterly financial statements. Without unreasonable effort or expense, the company intends to file its 2Q 2017 coincidentally with the 10K 2016. The company sees the filings as a priority and will transact as soon as possible. So that was on the April 19th. So I'm guessing we should see that soon enough. All right, so if you want to continue doing more due diligence on this company, just go right over to the DBMM board. From there, you'll see that the latest press release that they had on April 1st. I mean, I went over on a prior stream that we had done on this one, so for me to go read that and drive you guys crazy. All right, but it's there for you guys to read, and then you also got the filings that are over here, the financials, the buy rating, the recent news, time and sales. If you have an opinion, feel free to share it to tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that Digital Brand Media and Marketing Group Incorporated board.
All right, and that's what we're looking at right now. All that information is completely free on Investors Hangout. DBMM. Watch for that break. Watch for that break at 0.05. Can't keep going. If volume slows, it will pull down fast, in my opinion. Remember that. Resistance is going to be at that 0.05 and 6. Support at 0.035, 2.5, and 1.9. Again, watch that volume closely, in my opinion. Could keep going. But if that volume slows, like I said, could pull back. So you guys have a lot of gaps in here as well. I'm going to add that in here. A lot of gaps to watch, but again, you guys are really a lot of volume coming in. This one we'll watch for that to continue. So keep going, like I said. If you're following the stock, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. And get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. If you'd like to participate within our next live stream, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.